Hi, how are you everyone? Welcome back to my lovely channel. For your information, this video was created on 24 May 2018, 12 of hour, 54 of minute and 28 of second. In this lovely day, we are going to explain something. The thing is, what is a whistling kettle? In the next few seconds you will get a short information about what is a whistling kettle. Hopefully it will help you. Enjoy the video. Here is the explanation about what is a whistling kettle. A whistling kettle, or tea kettle, is a kettle fitted with a device that emits an audible whistle when the water in the kettle starts to boil. The action of steam passing through the device causes vibration, in turn creating the sound known in physics as a whole tone. Now, we will give you 20 seconds to read again the explanation by yourself so you can absorb this information. Please take your time. Hi, that's all of the explanation. If you find this video helpful, please like and comment on this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you, and see you again in another video. Goodbye.